Alright, so this next slide is in your packet again. So you're going to be dividing multiples of 10, 100, and 1,000 and be writing on the lines here the missing quotient or dividend or divisor. So on the left column here, all the quotients are missing. On the right column, either the dividend or the divisor is missing. So I can do maybe one or two with you, but then you're going to have to do the rest on your own. So first thing I would do is underline the non-zero digits. So I have 6 divided by 3. I know that 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2, but there are still 2 zeros attached to the 600. So I need to attach 2 more zeros to the 200 or to the 2, simply because it has to be 100 times larger. Because 6 divided by 3 equals 2, that means 600 divided by 3 needs to be 100 times larger than 2. Therefore 200. This one over here, the dividend is missing. So I know that something divided by 4 gives me 80. Honestly, the easiest way to do this is to work with the inverse. So I can think of doing this in the opposite direction. So 80 times 4 equals, if I think of it like that, that would be 8 times 4 is 32. Attach a 0 because 80 is 10 times larger than 8. So I need something 10 times larger than 32, which is 320. If I read this from left to right now, I have 320 divided by 4 equals 80. I know that 32 divided by 4 is 8, and then attach a 0 because it needs to be 10 times larger. I know I said only do one or two with you. I was just looking down here at the ones that have the divisor that is missing. This can definitely be a little bit challenging as well. Here's my recommendation. I can do this one with you right here. 210 divided by something equals 30. My biggest advice to you is to take the quotient and put it in this and pretend like it's in this blank. So it's like 210 divided by 30. That would be 21 divided by 3, which is equal to 7. However, because you're doing 210 divided by 30, I was to write that like this, 210 divided by 30. Apologize, I'm writing with a mouse here. The 21 divided by 3 gives you the 7, but both these numbers are 10 times larger than just 21 and 3. So really, that's going to actually cancel out the zeros on either side of the division symbol. And just to kind of double check that, like you can't say 210 divided by 70 equals 30 because 210 divided by 7, if I did that, 21 divided by 7 equals 3. There should be only one 0 that I need to attach. If there was a 70 here, then that would just be 210 divided by 70 equals 3. This can definitely be a little bit more challenging, which is why I gave you the example. But definitely finish the rest of this on your own with your partner.